I'm here with Kevin Swanton, who is UK Director for Asheridge. We did a clip last year about a media server, but you got a whole control panel for the whole house digital audio control. So you're going to explain a little bit this product, which has got a couple little sexy things to add it on for the lady in the house also. So why don't we give us a demonstration?
Okay, great. This is a new product that we're bringing to market, which is a whole house digital audio product. The nice thing about it is that it is digital. So it's 24-bit digital, so the quality of sound you're actually going to get is very, very good. There are 3 different products, from a basic single input 4-zone system, so 4 points around the property, up to this baby that will do, believe it or not, 1,000 zones.
1,000 zones?
1,000 zones.
You get a big chateau out there.
If you've got the big chateau out there, this will do the job for you. It'll also play 9 different sources playing into it, so you can have your DVD, your CD, your satellite box, whatever you really need.
iPod, I suppose.
iPod. Oh, everything's iPod. Everything's iPod these days. So these are the controllers that will sit into each of the rooms. This one, believe it or not, has a 60-watt amplifier built into it.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's enough to drive, your average sort of set of speakers. This one, which is a smaller one, has got a 30-watt amplifier in it. Both of these are digital amplifiers.
Just behind it. In the wall. You put it in the wall, you don't see anything.
Put it in the wall, you don't see anything. All the wires are hidden. Simple to wire. A Cat5 cable, which is a sort of standard dead cable here, wired from the router out to the controller, or to this controller here, and then also from the input plate here to the router. On the input plate, you've got optical, believe it or not. So you've got 2-channel 24-bit digital optical, digital coax, or analog, with a loop through. So if you want to listen to that source in that room as well, you can do that as well.
You got something in your hand that you've been holding there.
This is the woman factor, okay? If you want to blend these babies into the wall, you can do it, because they do we supply a primed faceplate, which means you can paint it any colour you want. So here's a really gaudy colour that we did, just to emphasise how bad it can be.
Okay.
But if you want to blend this into white, you can easily spray paint it white, typically enamel paints to do it. One nice feature I haven't mentioned about the woman factor, this has an intercom system built into it as well. So if you press this button up here, it pages the whole house.
So you can find out where she is.
You can find out where she is, or you can call the kids down to breakfast.
That's cool. For more information and technical specs on your website, which is?
If you go to ashcoms.com or zoneaudio.co.uk.
Okay, Kevin, this has been a pleasure to see you again. Looking forward to seeing you again soon.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.